Alright, so we're here with today's man of the match. The man that got the equalizing goal for Kingston College today. Demario Daley, the man they call Angel. Talk to me about your game. Talk to me about your personal performance today. How did you see the game?
Well, my personal performance was kind of average because in the first half I didn't capitalize on the chances I got. But in the second half, as the last featured game, I came back with that lion mentality. So I told myself I would never give up. I never give up. So when my physio came to me and he said, Angel, what's wrong? I said, Garfield, I have one. Just believe. A couple minutes, I got that goal. So I'm really grateful for God giving me that goal and making my team get the draw.
As the star man for Kingston College this season, you know, one of the best players on the team.
Yes.
How is it taking over from Dujan Richards last year? Another Phoenix man coming into the Kingston College team and leading.
Well, Dujan Richards, even though he's 2 years older than me, he's kind of my mentor and he's a good friend. I've known him for 6 years. He really talks to me. Before this game, he even spoke to me and motivates me and tells me to push. He was the one that told me to make my name this season. So big love to him because that's my brother.
Talk to me about Kingston College this season, though. Coming into the hardest group of the second round,
yes,
of the quarterfinals.
Yes.
How do you think your challenges stack up against other teams?
Well, I would say it's a challenge because they're very quality teams. Well, we as Kingston College, we're just going to go back to the training ground, train as what we know, and come out to try to execute the chances that we get and try to capitalize on everything and get the win.
When you score that goal against a team that you are familiar with, you know, you train with a lot of these players, especially in the off-season.
Yes.
When you got that goal, what was going through your mind?
Well, when I got that goal, I got emotional. I went to my fans because I know my fans believe in me. From before the match, I told them, Angel, please. And I told them I would never let them down from the last interview. So I went to them and showed them the crest. 40 scatter, say, none protest. The brave may fall, but never yield. So I went to them and showed them that love, that I'm here for them. As I said in the last interview. And I will fight for them till the end.
Here we go from the man of the match, Demario Daley. Angel.